Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this glow effect in Lightroom and Snapseed as well. For the contrast, select -40. And then highlights at 100. Shadow is at +25. And then I'm going to go to the curves section of the app, and then I'm just going to add a dot here and then another one like here-ish, and then here, drag it down, and then we're just going to pull this one up a little bit like this, and then press done. Go to color. Temps, I'm just going to kind of adjust it to the left a little. Tint -14, sorry about the noise. Vibrance at 0, and then saturation -4. Okay, then we're going to go to the grading bit here. For the shadows, we're just going to add the hue at 102. And then for saturation, +30. For the highlights, we're going to do +238. And saturation at 40. Then we are going to press done here. Go to effects. Clarity -69, and then dehaze -30. Go to grain, grain +35, and then size +25, roughness +50. And then you're just going to export this first in your gallery. Go to Snapseed and open your latest image. Go to Tools and go to Glamour Glow and select the second one. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I just said that. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.